G'day, everybody. It's the legendary Swalla. So, before I get into this video, it's very obvious that DITRH, which is Flat Earth Dave, he's pretty stupid. But at the same time, I think that he knows what he's doing. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's not going to give up, even though the 24-hour sun has happened and it's been proven. He's never going to give over his 3 Bitcoin because it was a fake test, no doubt about it. But he's going to keep on faking his way through life. It's pretty sad. But what I thought I would do is I have a look at one or two of his videos, and I mean this video is pretty simple. I've turned the mute on so that I don't have to worry about the stupid music. And he's basically looking at what looks like the sun, and it just simply vanishes. Now, one of the things I notice straight away, right, when you look at this, is the foreground is very in focus. So all the little specks of dirt on the outside of this window is in focus, which basically means that if it's focusing on the window, it basically means that the sun is not in focus. Now, when you don't have the sun in focus, it can blur the perspective. This is a very, very simple photography issue, right? And so the level of sun that would probably happen on this is not representing the entire sun time at all. It's representing like a couple of seconds. So there's no doubt that the sun was probably a big circle around about this big, right? But because only a flicker of the sun was actually coming up over the cloud, that one flicker was creating a sharp, strong amount of light. And of course, as that small speck of light went into the clouds, the bulb shape. See this bulb shape? That's not the real diameter of the sun. That bulb shape is just fading away. So that's not the most important part of this video. The most important part of this video is to look at all the morons who are in the comments, because they really are morons. So this guy here, wow, the disappearance is weird. Also lighting the clouds from below. It's above, but anyway, I'm not seeing the clouds lighting from below in this particular instance. I'm a boomer. I hope I have long enough to see this exposed. And as this guy has replied, you just did. Yep, so the 24-hour sun has exposed this bullshit. And I'm going to tell this guy, what's I'll tell him? I think I'll say the focus was trained on the window and not the sun. What you saw was only the last second of light. Let's say just 2% of the sun's diameter. It's time to get out of the cut. Get out of this cult. Bang. Right, so I'm going to start commenting on all these people because they obviously are just soaking up his bullshit. Yep. That happens because the Earth is blocking the sun. Amazing that. It doesn't fade away. Yes, the solar system works like this just fine. beautiful, flat, and non-rotating Earth. Actually, this is the result of a rotating Earth. Learn up. Everyone has witnessed the sun fade like this. It's no problem. For the globe. Here we go. Someone actually wants to be corrected. Here we go. Correct me if I am wrong, but isn't this the first sun fade out film by someone other than you? Dave just reposts other people's videos for himself. Wow, more of these. Other people do better sunset videos. I've been on the west coast of Africa at the Atlantic Ocean on vacation, and it seemed pretty normal for the sun to gradually fade out behind the mist, humidity, air. Well, that's a problem. Let that one go. Great video. For the first time I see this, these were unique atmospheric conditions in order to see real disappearance of the sun. I noticed you said sphere in that comment. This is the right path. Where's this other guy? Thanks for sharing. He reposted it from someone else. Two seconds of footage looped over and over again. That it's a globe. So he said, but Jaron said that's a globe, and he would be correct. Mate, all these people are going to be pissed off that they're getting replies from me. Can someone explain what is happening? I understand the flat part. There is no flat part. But why does it fade away? Shouldn't it get smaller and pinpoint? Right? Okay. The camera is focused on the foreground. The sun is blurry because the focus is not on the sun. This is why the last 2% of the sunlight appears like a tiny orb. Gorgeous, gratifying, incontrovertible. Only works on a globe, mate. That's an amazing shot. Thanks for fighting there. Whatever. Morons, morons, morons. Looks just like yours, love heart. Whatever the hell that is. Wow, what a lucky shot. It happens every day. Every day on planes. It happens every day on planes, mate. Oh, you're an idiot. God's realm, flat earth forever. Oh, God. More brainwashing. I thought the FE argument was that the sun just gets further away. Well, it should always be 3,000 miles high on FE, but here it is 8 kilometers high. Isn't that amazing? It can defy physics. Not angry at all, mate. Works on a globe, as far as I'm concerned. Only on a globe. Beautiful, another irrefutable shot. Globers can only get angry about. Yeah, you're an idiot. Not angry about it at all. Okay, this is the guy who actually posted the video. It seems your focus was in the foreground instead of the sun. It's like BTC. It happens to go up and down when it's really up there. Well, ask Dave when he is going to pay Jaren or Will Duffy that 3 BTC. How about that? Is the moon the same? The moon is not the sun. That was an easy question. Okay. Question. There you go. So, I have replied to all these people except for a couple of really boring ones. I hope they'll get the point. They won't. They won't get the point. But anyway, enjoy that. I hope someone maybe had a laugh. Who knows? If no one had a laugh, I'll try to joke out of it well. I'll see you later.